Hello guys, welcome to Game World. So today we are going to play Forza Horizon 4, the world's best realistic game, guys. Don't miss this game. Everyone must have to play this type of games, and here nature also very beautiful. Let's see how it will be. We'll take Porsche car in this game. Porsche. Okay, let's go. So this is the car. See surroundings. Wow, so beautiful. What a beautiful place and what a beautiful car. Yeah, let's check this sound. Wow, so beautiful, guys. Okay, we'll take inside view here. Wow, see inside view also very beautiful, and these graphics are very smooth, right? Very smooth graphics. You can see everything is so beautiful. Wow, it's so beautiful. And another view without steering view, this one you can see this right side mirror and the left side mirror and the center mirror. Okay, this is the one of the view. It's the outside view, and full outside, this is full view of the car. Okay, let's go some small ride. Just we'll take the surroundings, everything here. Okay, wow, so beautiful, guys. So don't miss this type of beautiful game. Anyone? Okay, it is so beautiful nature in this game. Wow, what a beautiful nature, guys. Don't miss this type of game. Oh yeah, and you can feels like if you play with this game with steering, you will feels like it's very realistic driving. Excellent. Everything is so beautiful. Wow. Oh yes, this is so beautiful. Wow, these graphics are amazing. So you can see here, guys. Wow, this car model is also very beautiful, and the locations are everything in this game so realistic, guys. So that's why don't miss. Okay, don't miss, guys. This type of realistic games, you'll feel it's like very realistic. Wow, everything in this game so realistic. We'll go to that house area. It's so beautiful, guys. Wow, what a realistic. Wow, we are going to some picnic right here. This is so beautiful. Don't miss, guys. Don't miss. Wow, everything in this game is so beautiful. So guys, please comment your opinion about this game. Okay, wow, here already one car parked here. Wow, let's look. So beautiful graphics. So only on Forza Horizon 4. Everything is so beautiful. So beautiful, guys. Don't miss it, okay? Let's look some surroundings here, okay? You can go anywhere in this game. It's a free roam, guys. You can go anywhere. Wow, what is this? This is some sad, okay? Wow, this is a really so amazing game. Excellent, guys. So our natural lovers, please comment about this game, okay? Your opinion about on this game, guys. So just a lot of racing games there, but it is a free roam game, and you can freely drive anywhere in these locations, okay? It's not a sports racing, okay? You can also participate races in this game, but if you go slowly surrounding this type of natures, you'll feels really like realistic, and so you will get very good driving. You will get very good driving skills. Actually, it's like a realistic driving, guys. So you must have a steering for this game, then you will full 100% satisfied when you play this game. Let's see, guys, let's see here. What a beautiful locations. Everything I can't explain. You must have to play this game. That's it, guys. And please tell your comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, guys. Also please like for more realistic videos, okay? Wow, this type of beauty. Wow, don't forget, guys, okay? It's a very excellent game. Wow, okay, here we will take some west. What a beautiful game. And the car is also, see, same realistic dust, wheels effects, and dust and water, some everything is so realistic in this game, okay? This is horn. So guys, if you love this game and graphics, please comment and like our channel. Also please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, guys, for more realistic videos, games, everything from our Telugu Gamer World channel. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll meet tomorrow with next best gaming video, okay? Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Like and subscribe, don't forget. La 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 la. Okay, come on, let's go. 1 2 3. Yo. Okay, guys, let's see this, okay? So much a beautiful game. So we'll take some friend, okay? Wow, let's look this surroundings, everything is wow. Okay, we'll stop our car here, okay? So this is Forza Horizon 4 game. So realistic game. What a excellent nature, guys. Really give 10 out of 10 for this game. Okay, please comment your opinion, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.